Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm going to try Facebook Live again today. Last Friday, I jumped on here and my bandwidth just wasn't working and it kept cutting out and it was being really annoying. So I just hit stop and we're trying again today. Hopefully, whatever issue this is with my bandwidth is just like a temporary issue and I should be fine. So anyway, today I want to talk to you about ways to stay out of debt this holiday season. But before I get there, I want to show you one thing. Did anyone print this off? Did anyone print off their, and are they using their Thankful dry erase frame? It says, today we are thankful for, and I have this out at dinner time, and then each of us at dinner, I get to go around the table and write down something we're thankful for. So today I've got something I'm going to write down and show you. Now, yes, it will be backwards, but that's okay. I am running down 99-cent laundry detergent. 99-cent laundry detergent. Just a reminder, the Wegmans app has released a bunch of new digital coupons. If you don't have the Wegmans app on your phone, download it. And there's a little spot where you can clip the coupons that are available. And you can see what's on there. Well, guess what? Right now, they have a $5 off coupon for their advanced laundry detergent, which is normally $5.99. And it's their free of dyes and perfumes. I think it's supposed to be, it says safer choice, so I think it's like a greener choice. I have not looked into it very highly in detail in terms of what's in it. I'm looking at it briefly right now. But anyway, 99 cents for laundry detergent. You can't beat that, especially if it's like a safer choice and Wegmans wants you to try it, then take advantage of it and try it for 99 cents. So if you have not used the digital coupons before, download the app, or you can actually just go to Wegmans.com and you can log in with your account and scroll down once you see where the coupon option is. Make sure you press clip it so that it knows that you want it. And then next time you go to the store, which I went this morning, you buy your detergent. And when you swipe your Shoppers Club card, that $5 automatically comes off like it comes off just like a cashier scan a coupon. It'll show up underneath your Shoppers Club savings and done. That's it. So today I'm thankful for 99-cent laundry detergent. So that's tip number one. So let's talk about holiday shopping because we're reaching mid-November. Black Friday is next week. Thanksgiving's coming up. So I just had a phone call and I thought I hit do not disturb and somehow I just got disturbed. But anyway, I ignored the phone call and I'm still here. So back to being debt-free. Let's just go over some tips here because I know we're in the shopping mindset. And I just cringe when I hear about people that just keep swiping their credit card and swiping their credit card and swiping their credit card just to make sure that Christmas morning is like amazing, fantastic, and then they're not going to think about all the debt that they're going into, and then come January they get their credit card bill, and then everyone just has a bunch of stress and freaks out. And I want to help everyone avoid that this year. So here are some things to be more conscious about how you're purchasing your gifts now and to avoid that scary credit card bill come January. So first thing that you should probably do is make a spreadsheet. I just said the spreadsheet word. I know there's a lot of people out there that might think I'm never making a spreadsheet for Christmas gifts. That's just weird. But I'm a type A organized spreadsheet list making lover. And so I think it's great. And even if you don't want to like make an Excel spreadsheet with names and gifts and prices and budgets, you could just write out a simple list of who you have to buy presents for and think about things you might already have on hand that you can regift. And then start creating a list of what you can buy someone and how you can do that cheaply. So first of all, then step number 2 is to check out your budget and see where you can save money. Where can you cut costs? One big way I think that people should take advantage of is call your car insurance. Call around and switch your car insurance company and see how much money you can save from that. That is one huge way that you could save maybe at least $100, and that could knock off like 4 Christmas gifts right there. So just see if you can call your car insurance company and get your plan switched, and it could be worth it, and that could pay for a chunk of Christmas. Tip number 3, sell old items. There's garage sale Facebook groups all over the place. Usually it's by county. Some of them are just for kids. Some of them are for anything. Try to find just 10 items in your house, old toys that are still in good shape that you could sell, or household items that you could sell, and just see if you can list 10 items and see how much money you get from that and put it towards your Christmas budget so you're not just swiping the credit card blindly, and see where you can get your money for your holiday shopping. Tip number 4 is if you're going to sell stuff on those garage sale Facebook pages, buy stuff from them too. It's okay if you buy some used items for Christmas gifts. I had a friend that had her kids had an amazing Christmas just by buying used toys off the Facebook site, but the toys were in great shape and they had a great time. Great Christmas. I think she said she spent $35 on toys that could have cost her $150, and her kids were very happy. So there's another tip. And then another thing is that since deals are coming up, Black Friday's coming up, I will post where all the Black Friday deals are on my website, but I also want to tell you that there's 2 places you can go to look for promo codes. So if there's an item that you want to shop for online and you want to see if there's a discount for it, go to either dealspotter.com or retailmenot.com. RetailMeNot also has an app that you can download, so you can just look on your smartphone to see if there's a promo code available. I'll leave a link for that when I'm done with this video and show you where you can download that. And DealSpotter, if you become an active member of DealSpotter community, and if you find your own promo codes, like specifically if companies email you a one-time use promo code that you know you're not going to use, you could post that on DealSpotter, and once you post enough codes, then you earn points, and those points turn into Amazon gift cards. So if you have deals or emails or things you want to post, you can earn Amazon gift cards through DealSpotter. So maybe you should make a goal. I'm going to post enough deals on DealSpotter to pay for at least 2 of my kids' Christmas presents. So maybe I need to earn $30 in Amazon gift cards. And just say for the next 3 weeks, in the evenings, I'm going to post deals on DealSpotter, and I know that those gifts are going to be paid for. So really, these tips to stay debt-free are really just to try to find ways where there could be hidden money, do some extra small things so that you can buy those extra fun things for Christmas and that everyone can enjoy it. And please, please, please don't do the blind swiping of the credit card, because we want to have a great January that's not without the feelings of being buried in debt. So that's what I have for you today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.